Hi दोस्तों, today we are going to learn how to load or display a image in OpenCV and how to convert a image from one color space to another color space. So first of all, we have to load a image, then we have to convert a image from different color space. To load a image, we have to give the image path. So there is a function imread function to read a image and store in a matrix format in a mat library function. So mat is a storing image in a matrix format that is contains the header of a image and data of a image. And to check the image is loaded successfully, we have to check that matrix is empty or not. So we have to check the image dot empty. So if the empty, that means your something is going wrong, something might be your path is wrong. You can check this and do it again. So after successfully loading an image, we have to create a window. I have given a window name actual image and image show window where we have to display image, and it will contain the window name and matrix where in which the image is loaded. So we have to now run this and see the output. You can directly load a image in any color space, RGB color space, UI color space, and grayscale. You can give that the parameter to imread function, but now you can do it later, and we'll see the next thing. So now you can see that RGB image is loaded successfully. Now we have to convert this RGB image to in different color space. So I am going to convert to it in a grayscale color. So convert this RGB to grayscale. We have to OpenCV is providing a CVT color function which convert from one color space to another color space. So for that we have to give a input matrix and output matrix and the format in which you want to convert. So there are several color space here, but there are three popular color space that we'll see now. So first we have to run this and see the output. And imwrite function to write a image and save in a particular directory or path. So I have storing that my output matrix in this path using imwrite function. So how it works? So actually this will work based on that color format. If people are familiar with the computer graphics, who will know the color format, first we'll see this output. So here you can see both RGB image is converted into a grayscale image, is a different color format, color space. So how it is converted we'll discuss now. So using a CV2 color space is showing me a grayscale image, or either I can change this parameter. I have given that color load in the RGB, so it's giving me a first image in the RGB. So we will discuss how it's work. So mat, this is the array which store image data in image data in two part. One is header part and one is a data part, which contain a pixel of your image. IAMRead function is contain the file path and flag. By default is the IAMRead color. So these are the different format you can use. You can use IAMRead grayscale to read a image in a grayscale, read a image in a RGB format, read a image in any color format, image read load. It's a different format. You can play with this format and see the output. So CV2 color function, it will convert from one color space to another color space, and it will contain a 8-bit image 0 to 255 range and 16-bit 65,535 and 32-bit 0 to 1. And so people might be confused how it's converting. So you can see, suppose you have in your childhood you have played something, you mix red and green and the output is a yellow or different color output if you combining the color, because all color we learn ki convert coming from this 3 RGB. So if you mix and play this color in your real life also, you can see a different output. So that's the same thing CV2 color is doing. There are several color space. So there are 3 famous color space which we have to know when we are using OpenCV. RGB color space, HSV color space is basically used to identify the object or tagging the, and CMYC color is a very most important color. Color is used for giving a lighting effect of your image. There are 3 kind of lighting effect. One is the ambient light, second is the diffuse light, and third is a spotlight. Ambient light does not come from a particular direction, it's come from all the direction and reflect or bounce in the all the area of the object. And diffuse light is come from a particular direction but eventually reflect on all the surface. And there is one more light, is a spotlight, is come from a particular direction and reflect on a particular direction. So you can play with CMYK color and you can see that lighting effect on your image or your object which you want to display in OpenCV. And if you want to understand in depth, you can give a comment. I can create a video on that lighting of object in OpenCV or OpenGL, in any technology which we want to see. So go and learn these 3 color space and play with these 3 color space. If you familiar with this script, then you can move to another color space. There are a lot of members. First of you basic thing we have to know RGB color space, HSV color space, and CMYK color space. All these 3 color space very important if you are learning OpenCV. So that's it for the day, and keep learning.